Many women would like to make their legs look longer. And well, personal styling can help with it. And there's nothing about magic. It's about applying the rules of optical illusion to our body. So, if you, like me, would like to make your legs look longer, here are my 3 top styling tips for you. The first tip is about wearing trousers or skirts with vertical stripes, as in fact, vertical lines help elongate the figure. The second tip is about wearing trousers or skirt with high waist. Supposing that you're happy to highlight your waist as well, this can be an excellent way for you to enhance your body and elongate your legs. The third tip is about to wear colors, the same or similar colors along your legs. What I mean, if you, for example, wear a white trouser and a black boot, you are going to make the opposite. So you are going to cut, let's say, your leg and make it look shorter. On the other hand, if you wear black trousers and a black boot, you are creating this, optical illusion. You are going to elongate your legs. So remember, if you wear similar or the same color on your legs with your clothes and your accessories, your shoes, you are going to have this elongation. I hope you found my tips useful, and of course, if you need a personalized consultation, I'm here to help. Now, an online service also is available. Get in touch and let's chat!